Right guys, it's September and you know what that means. It is iPhone pre-order day. So I've opted for the Silver Pro Max this time round. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. This is always very satisfying here. And then let's get this one up. Right, that's that done. Yeah, this looks very clean. I know a lot of people were in two minds about the silver glass back here, but having seen the orange in person and the blue, the orange I'm not a fan of. It's way too bright, and I think after a month everyone's just gonna get bored of it. The blue is very dark. I'll show you some videos of how it looks with the MagSafe connectors on. It does leave a mark, so yeah, I think silver is the way to go this time round. I've got the screen here, but I also have my screen protectors, Spigen, so I'm gonna attach those first and then I'll do the first launch.
Okay, I have a little look to this questionnaire. I would probably believe everything is no.
Right, the Spigen screen protector has been added. It's first time doing it myself, so I mean, I think there's a few specks of dust, but it is what it is. And now let's boot it up for the first time. So I'm coming from a 15 Pro Max, so the screen size is I think 0.2 inches bigger, which is going to be nice. And yeah, let's let this load up. Let me know what color you guys got in the comments below. Honestly, when I saw the orange and the blue, I wasn't really a big fan of it. When I saw the Air for the first time and I held it, it is really good. It looks really nice. It feels really nice to hold as well. So I was really impressed with the iPhone Air. So if you guys decide to get that one, well, kudos to you. I think it's a very good purchase to get. Let me set this up now for the first time. Right, setup has been complete. And this was my unboxing experience of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let me know what color you guys decided to get. I am quite happy with the silver, though it is heating up quite a bit, mainly because of all my transfer. So hopefully it gets a bit warmer soon. As always, thanks for watching. Leave a like and press that subscribe button.